Vibe coding. Andrej Karpathy, who was AI Tesla, recently wrote a post about vibe coding. Vibe coding is a method where you use an AI agent to write all your code and basically trust it. Now, vibe coding does have an application. It's not in software development necessarily. It's more to do with creating an application that you want to describe to an AI. It's very good for creating experimental code. It's very good for creating certain types of front-end code. But the problem with vibe coding is that it disconnects the developer from the actual effect that is being created in the code. The code must do something that the developer understands how to interact with, or the developer is creating a situation that he can't control. If you release commercial software and it breaks down, you've got to be able to fix it, sometimes very quickly. If you want to be able to fix it, then you surely should know what it does and what tests to run to make sure that when you update it, it doesn't break. This kind of structured thinking is very necessary when you're vibe coding. I don't personally think that vibe coding is as valid as some. I think what vibe coding actually does is it's like a game that you're playing with the AI. You're saying, okay, you do it, let's see what you do. The problem that I've encountered in using AI is inconsistency. When the AI learns what you're doing, it then might suggest things or decide to do things that you haven't actually engaged in or have you designed into the system. The AI thinks, oh, well, this is how someone else did it, so maybe this is how he wants to do it. Is that creativity? I'm not sure that it is. It's creating a system that you can't be responsible for. And I think that has an unfortunate end. So instead of vibe coding, how about we do interactive pairing, where we ask the AI to do something and we're responsible for what it does? That seems to be a path towards progress and speed of developing.